Let me ask you something. Have you ever watched someone who truly cares about their work? Not someone rushing, not someone just trying to get through the day. Someone who genuinely cares. You notice little things. They check the measurement one more time. They clean the surface before making the weld. They sharpen the blade. They tighten the fitting correctly. They wipe away the excess. They step back, look, think, then make the cut. Some people call that perfectionism. I don't. I call it respect. Because precision isn't really about being perfect. It's about caring enough to do the work well. That's a very different thing. I've spent a lifetime around construction projects, and one lesson keeps revealing itself over and over again. Almost every major problem begins as a small detail someone decided didn't matter. One loose bolt, one rushed measurement, one shortcut, one missed inspection, one assumption, one moment of, that's close enough. And sometimes close enough truly is acceptable. Experienced craftsmen understand tolerances. They know when perfection serves no purpose, but they know when precision matters, and wisdom is knowing the difference. That wisdom is respect. Respect for the process. Respect for the people depending on your work. Respect for the consequences of getting it wrong. Think about a bridge. The people driving across it will never meet the engineer. They'll never know the ironworkers. They'll never shake hands with the inspectors. They're placing complete trust in strangers every single day. That trust deserves precision. The same is true for the electrician wiring a home, the mechanic repairing brakes, the nurse administering medication, the software engineer writing code that keeps an airplane operating, the cook preparing someone's meal. Different tools, different skills, same principle. Someone else's well-being depends upon your attention to detail. That's why precision is respect. It's saying, I care enough about you to do this correctly. You know, I've noticed something about master craftsmen. They rarely rush, not because they're slow, because they're deliberate. Every movement has purpose. Every step has intention. They've learned that hurrying often creates more than it saves. Measure twice, cut once. It's old advice, but it applies far beyond woodworking. Think before speaking. Plan before acting. Inspect before trusting. Verify before assuming. Precision is really thoughtful living, and thoughtful living builds trustworthy people. You know, people often ask, how do I build a good reputation? The answer isn't complicated. Do small things well, consistently, day after day, because reputation isn't built during extraordinary moments. It's built during ordinary ones. The screw nobody sees, the weld hidden inside the wall, the paperwork nobody reads, the cleanup after everyone else has gone home. These moments reveal character, because character shows itself most clearly when nobody is watching. I've always admired people who take pride in details, not because they're trying to impress anyone, because excellence has become part of who they are. The quality isn't for show, it's simply their standard, and standards matter because standards become habits, habits become character, and character becomes reputation, and reputation becomes legacy. That's how precision quietly shapes life. Not one grand achievement, thousands of careful decisions, one after another. So, whatever your craft may be, whether you build homes, repair engines, write software, raise children, lead a business, or simply try to become a better person, remember this: precision isn't about perfection, it's about respect. Respect for the work, respect for the people, respect for yourself, and respect is one of the finest things a craftsman can build into everything he touches. I'm Bubba, and this is nothing new under the sun. All right, boys and girls, that's my thoughts on the subject. I appreciate you stopping by, and I appreciate you watching. Make sure you give me the thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to the channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, and you'll be notified of new releases. Make sure you share this video with associates and like-minded people, and comment on the content of this video. And until we see each other again, as always, have a grateful day, and I'll see you next time.